Hey everyone, Gabe here from Stacking Clients. In today's video, I'm taking you through a full screen share walkthrough of three key assets: the Bulletproof Practice Accelerator VSL landing page, the strategic partnership proposal we've crafted for nerd enterprises, and finally, our own Stacking Clients landing page where you can book a call with us. This isn't just a portfolio tour. I'm going to show you in detail why each section exists, exactly how it's designed to convert, and the thinking behind each element. Seth, David, if you're watching, this is your opportunity to see exactly how we'd position your offer and scale it. If you're one of our subscribers, think of this as a blueprint for building an end-to-end conversion-focused funnel. We'll start with the Bulletproof Practice Accelerator landing page, the front door of the funnel. This is where both YouTube viewers and direct traffic arrive, and every pixel is built to move them closer to booking a call. In the hero section, the headline says, "Accountants, stop working 60 plus hours a week." It's not clever for the sake of being clever. It's direct, and it calls out the target audience by name and speaks to the pain they feel every single day. The subheadline promises a concrete result: double your revenue, work fewer hours, and become the go-to advisor. This instantly sets the stakes. The CTA button is above the fold in contrasting accent colors, so there's zero confusion about the next step. Directly beneath is a 14 to 17 minute VSL sales letter complete with a YouTube chapter markers. This is critical because the VSL is where trust and authority are built at scale, giving viewers the ability to skip to chapters, whether that's the story, the problem, or the proof. We're meeting them where they are in their decision process. Here, we're not guessing at what keeps prospects up at night. We're using their own language: billable hour hamster wheel, drowning in admin, raising prices feels risky. This is important because when prospects see their exact frustrations mirrored back to them, it builds instant connection. Then we transition to Seth's personal story, starting his practice in 2003, building the Bulletproof Practice system, and the transformation it created. This isn't fluff. Story makes the solution relatable and human, and it primes the audience to see Seth as a trusted mentor. The 5 pillars of the accelerator are then presented in a benefit-first language with clear CTAs to apply. We close the page with tangible results from Courtney and Valia. Notice how we're not just saying they succeeded, we're showing specifics like charges 50% more, takes Fridays off, and right after that, we address the top objections directly. This is so that by the time someone hits the last apply now button, the mental barriers are already lowered. Switching over to the proposal page, this is built to win over high-value strategic partners and provide internal clarity on the growth plan. It immediately frames nerd enterprises and Stacking Clients as a unified growth engine. This is important because we're signaling alignment and shared outcomes, not just a vendor-client relationship. We present 3 industry stats that create urgency and fee increases, staffing shortages, and the surging advisory demand. This isn't filler, it's there to make inaction feel costly. Landscape analysis. Here we outline 3 core pain points: overwork and undervaluation, tech overwhelm, and inconsistent client acquisition. Each pain point is paired with an opportunity snapshot so the reader can see both the challenge and the upside in one glance. We revisit the 5 pillars, but this time we layer in the build, demo, decide process. This is a clear logical flow from diagnosis to implementation, showing that the path forward is structured and proven. Deliverables and operational stack. Every deliverable is listed: mentorship templates, automation guides, acquisition scripts, dashboards. This level of specificity removes doubt and builds confidence. The operational stack section shows the exact system that we will power the program. The operational stack section shows the exact systems that will power the program, reinforcing this as more than just theory. Credibility and differentiators. We call out Seth's authority: decades of building experience, global community building, proprietary frameworks, and why this program is unique. Specifics matter here because they separate us from generic promises. Before ending, we revisit the main objections and dismantle them with facts, then clearly direct the reader to book a call for a partnership. Finally, we land on our own Stacking Clients page, the bridge for anyone watching this video who wants to work with us. The page opens up by clearly stating who we help and the results we drive. This mirrors the clarity we bring to client projects. No vague claims, just a direct line from problem to solution. Service breakdown. Here we walk through our full scope: strategy, creative implementation, and optimization. We frame every part in terms of client outcomes: more leads, higher conversion, scalable systems. This case study, along with others, is showcased to demonstrate that our methods are repeatable. This builds the credibility needed for someone to trust us with their offer. Multiple CTAs throughout lead to our application. Placement and repetition are intentional. The easier we make it for the person to take the next step, the more likely it is to happen. That's the complete walkthrough of the Bulletproof Practice Accelerator VSL landing page, the strategic partnership proposal, and our own Stacking Clients landing page. Seth, if you're watching, let's connect and map out exactly how we can launch this to fill your next cohort. For our subscribers, if you're ready for a conversion-focused, done-for-you funnel that looks premium and is engineered to convert, click the link in the description. We'll identify your unique value, design your assets, and build a system to scale your business. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.